Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to website shortcut icon to home screen on Moto G37. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Chrome app. After click on Chrome app, scroll down and select website. Click on website. Click on this three dot icon and click on add to home screen, and you will see and click on add. You will see. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.